Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just stopping by, I'd love it if you subscribed. And today we're going to be going over my morning routine when I'm going to class. So there's not really a good way to do a fake waking up, but it's super dark. I just get up and leave James and Ellie in bed. We go straight into the kitchen and I have to wake up a little bit, and the first thing I do is make a cup of iced coffee. I don't care if it's 10 degrees outside, I'm gonna make some iced coffee. I have a serious problem. I'm also going to pop a plain bagel into the toaster so I can have something to eat before we start all of my getting ready. And James decided that he couldn't sleep in any longer with his new job. He's been getting up at like 3:30 in the morning, so he doesn't sleep in very much anymore. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish making my little breakfast. I asked him if he wants anything, and now I'm just gonna sit down and eat my bagel, drink some coffee. I definitely don't chug that coffee. I end up taking it to class with me. Once we get done with all of that, I go into the bathroom, put my hair back in a little bun with this goofy head wrap on, and we're going to brush our teeth and wash our face, moisturize, prep everything. I like to take my showers the night before, so my body is all squeaky clean still. And now it's time for some makeup. I'm just going to pull my hair out of my face and shave off some chin hairs. I'm not even going to try to hide that from you guys. Facial hair is a serious problem for me. Let's moisturize our lips, and then I'm just checking out how my skin is healing up, and we're going to start our makeup. I'm not going to go too in depth with my makeup because, it's not a makeup video. It's a get ready with me, okay? Morning routine, get ready. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. But normally if I'm not recording, I have music playing or I'm watching some YouTube videos or something like that while I'm putting on my makeup and getting ready for the day. Because I'm just going to 2 morning classes, I don't do anything crazy. At least for me, this isn't crazy. Plenty of people, when they go to class, they don't even wear makeup. So I just cover up most of my acne and do a simple day look, and of course I have to put on my eyebrows. So like I said, this is like a normal day makeup for me. I mean, sometimes I don't even put on eyeshadow. Sometimes I just do mascara and go. Look at me really trying to do something over here. I mean, it's whatever. So now that Mama is almost ready, we're going to go get Ellie up, snuggle with her for a minute. We're going to get her a diaper change and get her set up to eat breakfast. You know, I had to leave a little bit of Ellie in here because, oh my God, she's so stinking cute. Seriously, look at my child. She's so cute. She's also definitely pulling my shirt down. So James is just getting everybody ready to go, getting her high chair set up, and I'm going to go get her bottle and some baby food. I don't wash my hair very often, and the night before I had sprayed it with some dry shampoo, and now I'm just blow drying it to get maximum volume out of it. And I really just section it into a few little sections and straighten it out any like little kinks I might have gotten through the night. My biggest like tip for using dry shampoo is to spray it in the night before and sleep on it with your hair down so it gets all wallered in nice. Also, I never see people keep cleaning their ears in their get ready with me routines, and I hope you guys do this. If you don't, please start cleaning your ears. Beautiful. Now we're just going to pick out some clothes. I landed on some Torrid jeggings and this big chunky sweater I found at Rose's. Look how cute. I actually wore a little bit of color today. Perfect. It actually snowed a few days ago where I live, so I'm just going to wear these little booties. And then I just brushed my hair out and floof it a little bit, add some hairspray, and then we're on to the kitchen to finish out this morning. I'm just going to take some Tylenol arthritis because your girl's broken a lot of bones, and when it gets cold, everything hurts. So I'm going to take those and my vitamins, refill my coffee, and that's pretty much it for this routine, guys. I had to do this really cheesy exiting shot. Look how cute. Is it cute?